Welcome to the third installment of this ColorCraft tutorial. Today we're going to be diving deeper into the palette handling. As you can see, we have the palette section under the Recolor tab, where we can choose which palette we would like to preview. We can see which colors belong to a palette in the swatch section below. At the bottom, we have two buttons to select all palettes or to select none. You can use the search bar at the top to search for a specific palette. The list of palettes can be sorted alphabetically, by amount of colors, or by brightness of the palette. The arrow on the side can be used to change the direction of the sorting. The Extract button can be used to extract a palette from the currently previewed asset. After pressing the button, a pop-up menu will ask how many colors the palette should contain. If you're happy with the result, you can save and name the new palette. The File a Spec button allows you to search for low-spec palettes. You can search by tag or by slug. Next to every palette, you have the option to easily duplicate or delete the palette. You can also edit each individual palette as desired. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe.